In France, they say l'amour fatal. But we have also other term in English, mistake fatal. The idea that Earth is moving through stationary ether, this was a fatal mistake at the end of 19th century. And the negative result of Michelson-Morley experiment does not prove that ether does not exist. Today we know that every physical object that is in motion is also moving local ether. So when I move this, the local ether around will also move with this physical object. When I start rotating this physical object, the local ether also will start rotating. We call this today in physics frame dragging effect. And because of this effect, we have a Mercury perihelion precession and other planets also precession, but it's smaller because they are more distant. Because of the rotation of the superfluid space, which is actually ether, today we call it superfluid space, the stars which are on the outer part of galaxies have a higher speed because central black holes are rotating superfluid space. So the speed of the stars on the outer part of the galaxies is Newton speed plus speed of velocity of rotating superfluid space. Back in 1913, French physicist Sagnac, he did experiment with rotating interferometer, and his result was positive because the interference pattern has changed. But the time 110 years ago was not ready. Ether was thrown out of physics, and physicists have not been prepared to say, okay, Michelson-Morley experiment of Michelson-Morley, this was a wrong interpretation of this experiment. Let's see what Sagnac has done. Now, in the next few months, we will repeat Sagnac experiment with a bit advanced. We will not rotate interferometer with my colleague. We will do this together. We will not rotate interferometer. We will place in the center of interferometer electromotor. And when the electromotor will be on, the rotor will start rotating ether. And we will got the same result as Sagnac got it. And this is, or let's say it will be direct, undisputable proof that every physical object which is rotating is also rotating ether. A big mistake was done more than 100 years ago with throwing ether out of physics, and if ether would stay in physics, I'm sure today we would have a totally different landscape of physics. One of things would never happen. The idea of the Big Bang would never appear. So I published a preprint about this experiment also, and you are most welcome to read this article and to give me your feedback in the next few months, we will have also now the experiment will be done, and then we will send the article into peer review with the experiment together. But already now you are most welcome to give your comments and opinion and suggestions. And I'm really inviting physicists all around the world, if someone has possibility, if someone has in laboratory this Sagnac interferometer, you can contact me, and we can discuss how to prepare experiment, and we can do this work together. Thank you very much, and it will be really exciting to bring ITER back into physics under new name, superfluid space, but this mistake will be fixed in the next few months.